So I just wanted to create my own Max, and very thing I have with Max is fear and trauma, and I'm dumb with Max, so I have doubts. So there would be some person who just started Max with zero, not zero, but with nothing, and he have created something with Max to express their what he feel or his perspective of Max. So he needs some words or number to express which already exist. So can Max will like have in every places or everywhere? It could be. And if then I just started doing some random things like 0 plus 0. If we add, we get 0, right? You add 0 and 0, you get 0. And versus you add 0 minus 0, you get 0. But it's not positive, it's not negative, it's just 0. Neutral. But if you add 0, negative 1, you somehow get negative 1. Wow. And how could you remove or minus something from nothing? For example, we have a bucket with emptiness representing 0, and we have a bucket which have something 1 something, and we have a minus bucket, and I don't know how to represent minus bucket, so I was creating the bucket, and my pen fell off, and I got realization that okay, this whole thing goes to negative, right? There is now no bucket, you just hold the bucket, and that's the negative. The thing or point I want to say for this is you can't add something to zero, or you can't remove something from zero, because zero is zero, and so therefore you can't add something to zero or you can't remove something from zero. And another thought, because of this thing I got something like, what happens if we just goes to the full positive number, just like 1 2 3 4 5 to infinite way, and for the negative for the infinite way, does we go to 0, or does we, if it goes like full positive way, does it will be reset and get in a negative series, or just it will get reset to 0? Like what I want to say is, like, can we go so much positive infinite way that we get reset or negative? Like, it's just an assumption. So like 0 0 0 0 0, just like in a cycle lock or in a time watch, if you hit 0, then it's just restart at this point 0 0 0 0 0. Or will it go in a negative series like 1 to negative 1 negative 2 negative 20 negative 30 and so on? So reset 9999, and why we are keep adding 1, right, to like this? Like, this is just a feeling, I guess. I just want to stop this for answering or discussing or thinking about this. So I think that's, at this point I got the feeling to stop it. So why we are keep adding 1, and why not 0 and stop it? So like this, 0 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and but 10th will never come and we will get 0. Then if we do this all rest thing will not come, right? Because no, it will come, right? But 20 will not come, 30 will not come. Let me draw. I did not did that time. So let me just do it and see what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and instead of writing 10 here, I will just write 11 or 0 or 0, 1. Okay, so we can represent 0, 1 as a 10. So 0, 2 is 20 and 0, 3 is 30. I'm just quickly just copying it, and 19 and 0, 2, which is okay. We write here the normal thing, otherwise it will confuse me, and same goes for here too, and we will just write here. It's confusing me. Okay, it's 10 over here. We represent opposite 10, so here will be 30. And so what's the series, bro? I just stop counting that series, bro. 31, right? 31, 32. Oh my god, 32, 33, and 34 to all the way 38, 39, and here should come 40, and we represent this with 04. Instead of writing this, we can write in a way like this: 0, 02, 03, 04. Okay, so the each number will be like this. If we want to write okay, if we want to write 11, we write like this. Right? 11, 0, 1. So what if I want to write like 100? Then it should be like this: 0. Okay, my bad. If I want to write to like 100, I would have to write like this: 0, 0, 1, or right, 0, 0, 1. And now, but if I want to write 0, I'm just confusing myself, man, right now. 0, 1, 0, then it's valid. It doesn't have to be changed, right? Because 0, 1, 0. No, but that's how we normally write 0, 1, 0, 1. But if I'm doing this, then this have to be 0, 1, because we are at 100 position. So 0, 1, and this will be 0, 1, because we are the 10th position of this thing and 10th position of this thing. It's confusing, but I get it, but very, how can I explain to you? And let's continue